So, Six Flags Magic Mountain is rumored and is most likely removing the Golden Bear Theater for some new roller coaster. Could it be a Giga? It could be a Dive, but there is a rumor that it could be a wing coaster, and personally, I think that should not come to Magic Mountain, and here's why. What's up guys, Cam here, and before I get into this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and let's get into this. It is Magic Mountain weekend. This week I'm going to talk about the removal of Golden Bear Theater, and what should put into place and what should not be put into place. These videos are pre-recorded because I am busy this weekend doing things. So yeah, let's get straight into this. So Six Flags Magic Mountain, the coaster capital of the world, there are small gaps in their lineup, but personally, their lineup is nearly perfect, with every single category being built there, and with the removal or Golden Bear Theater, this is a lot of land to work with, and there's a lot of things that you can do with it. There's a Dive and a Giga, which is tomorrow's video, and there is a rumor swirling around that it could be a B&M wing coaster, something like X-Flight at Six Flags Great America, but I think that this should not come to Six Flags Magic Mountain, and here is why. The first reason is X2, obviously. X2 is a kind of wing coaster. It's kind of a mix of a spinning wing coaster, and we don't have many spinning wing coasters, otherwise known as a 4D roller coaster, and I think that it would be too much of an overlap, because you sit on the sides of the train and it's way too eerily similar to be put in there, and it's just way too weird of an idea to fit into this park, because this park is situated on a mountain, and oh my god, what am I going on? Okay, back to X2. X2 is a wing style coaster, and just a wing style coaster is already in the park, so it would be way too similar to even have a chance of being put into the park. The next reason is terrain. Wing coasters aren't really made on terrain, as we've seen before. Many wing coasters are built on flat plots of land, mainly X-Flight, Gatekeeper, and probably Thunderbird, I think. And these plots of land aren't really much of a mountainside things. They're too much of a flat plots to fit into the park. And then the next reason is theming. How could they fit this into the park? Of theming and weird ideas. It's gonna be very hard to find a theme that could fit into the idea of the forest that this part of the park is in. And there's a lot of ways that they could do this, but personally I just don't find that plausible. And finally, the last reason that they should not do this is cost. As we've seen, wing coasters can be pretty pricey, and right now Magic Mountain is currently kind of tight on money. As we've seen, they just got Wonder Woman, they're fixing the parking lot, and they're adding some small park improvements all around. So they're tight on money when it comes to money, and these wing coasters wouldn't fit in here for a type of roller coaster like this if they wanted to get this. But there are some pros to it. Mainly, it's a wing coaster, a good wing coaster. Wing coasters are pretty good in my opinion. A lot of near miss elements as we take the hillside. There is another con I want to talk about, and that is that this will be their 5th B&M. They have a lot of B&M, so I think it would be eerily too similar to something like Riddler or Tatsu, and a 5th B&M just wouldn't really work in the park. So that's probably going to be it for today's video. Sorry for the kind of shorter video. As I said, I am busy this weekend with things, and next video will also be pre-recorded, but Monday's video will just be straight up new. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.